You are listening to Walking in Wisdom, and it's the Property Hour with Nishma Kothari. Hello, Nishma.
Hello.
It's been a while since we've had you.
It has been a while. I'm so happy to be back.
Okay, I'm very, very happy to be back. We've been inundated with questions, so I'm just going to go straight on with them tonight.
Let's do this.
I just say straight away from the beginning that this is for information only. It's guidance. If you want one-to-one legal advice, go and seek the help of a professional advisor like a lawyer or something like that. But we're going to have plenty of interesting information from tonight's show. So, the first question is Freddie. He's in Wimbledon. He lives in a privately rented 2-bedroom flat in a converted house.
Yep.
And damp has started to appear on the ceiling.
Okay.
Now, he can't get the landlord to fix it. The landlord says that it's his fault. But he doesn't think he's doing anything to cause it. What's the solution there?
Okay, so the fact that it's actually on the ceiling makes me think that it's probably penetrating damp, which can occur when there's more of an actual structural issue with the building. If it's a converted house as well, it makes me believe that it's an old building, so they tend to have solid walls, don't they? And it's so much more common in these older houses. So the first thing I would do is just check things, make sure there's not a gutter issue. Also, just even internally in the house, make sure there's no leakage in the pipes of the sink and then underneath the bath. So check all those things first. And then it could be something very simple. Landlords tend to not want to deal with it because it can become quite expensive. And I'm assuming that this landlord's just thinking it's condensation, which is the most common type of damp.
Okay, right. So it could be something then. It might be Freddie has to look at the condensation issue perhaps.
Well, the fact that it's on the ceiling makes me think condensation is more around the windowsills and stuff. You can see it.
Okay.
But the fact that it's on the ceiling makes me believe that it's probably down to some kind of either there could be a crack in any of the walls, and if there's been heavy rains, you find that eventually once it gets soaked it comes through, or there could be an issue with the gutter. So just make sure it's not blocked or there's any kind of a misalignment. Those things could be enough. And then I think what I would do is go back to the landlord after checking that and saying, look, it's not condensation, I believe it's down to some structural issue. I've checked out, make sure there's no leaks, try to look for cracks. Could be something with the roof, you don't know. Just do the best you can, and then also make it clear it's not type of condensation, because I think the landlord probably thinks it is and just thinks, well, you need to ventilate better.
Yeah, I mean, if he's in the top floor, then you're looking at possibly the roof. If he's in the bottom, then it could be a bathroom that's coming in through. So they have to eliminate all the possible causes, and it might be an issue with the people above, and they have to fix their bath, if that's the case. Not very much that the ground floor, if it's owned separately, can do. It could be worthwhile getting a dehumidifier or something like that, and maybe using a bit more heat, just in case, to eliminate that. But I'm assuming Freddie has already tried those things. And once they've been eliminated and there's still an issue, say it's the roof, then there's something that the landlord might be able to do by calling.
Yeah, you're right. It's worthwhile them speaking to the other tenants of the building and seeing if there's an issue which is consistently there, and then you can start to do process elimination to what it could be.
Okay, Freddie, I hope that answers your question. Do get in touch and let us know how you got on with that.